New Enable Managed Detection and Response was built to help you answer the security question everyone is asking. What's the story? When users hear about evolving cyber threats, when technicians get overwhelmed with alerts, when management wants to scale security services, you need a better security story to tell, and you can have one with Enable MDR. Chapter 1 is your data. One-click integration with a wide variety of tools allows Enable MDR to ingest data from your entire environment: network, endpoints, cloud, identity, and more, giving you full-spectrum visibility that many other security tools simply can't match, at one simple cost. No nickel and diming like the old SIEM model. Chapter 2 is expertise. You get the benefits of a SOC staffed with specialists who provide tailored protection based on your various objectives and requirements. How? At onboarding, this elite team works with you to create custom playbooks that inform decisions. They then apply AI and machine learning to enrich your data, normalize it, and arm experienced threat hunters to take action. And Chapter 3 is all about taking action. While many solutions stop at making recommendations, Enable MDR makes things happen. With a SOC that works relentlessly, 24 hours a day, hunting threats, investigating suspicious activity, remediating issues before they become problems, and reporting it all directly to you. And since every great story needs a satisfying twist, Enable MDR invites you to step into the narrative whenever you like, with full access to the same powerful XDR platform the experts use. No putting in tickets or waiting on inquiries. You have the power to run reports, check health scores, demonstrate compliance, pull stats for business reviews, whatever you need. Plus, with full multi-tenancy, you can view and report on any or all of your environments. 100% access, 100% of the time. In short, the new Enable MDR service transforms your operations with comprehensive security for the modern IT landscape and gives you one heck of a security story to tell. Learn more at enable.com.